Hello everyone, my name is Ted Blosser and I'm on the platform team here at Box, and today I'm going to show you how to use a great plugin called Postman. So Postman is an easy to use Chrome extension for making HTTP requests. It's a great tool to aid you in your development on the Box platform, and we even use it internally to do a lot of testing ourselves. So if you haven't already, what you want to do is go download the plugin. So we can do a simple search for Chrome plugin Postman, and it'll take us to the page to go install it. Click Add to Chrome, and it'll be added to your browser. Once it's added to the browser, we'll be using this interface to make simple calls on the Box platform. So what we'll be doing today is three things. We'll be retrieving a list of folders within someone's account. We'll also create a new folder within someone's account. And we'll even upload a new file within your account. And we're going to do that all using Postman. So the first thing we want to do is go back to our developers documentation at developers.box.com/docs. So to create it, or actually to retrieve your folder items, what you want to do is navigate to folders, and we want to go to retrieve a folders items. And let's read through this really quickly. What we're going to be doing is doing a get request to the folders endpoint, inputting the folder ID and asking for its items. So if we go to Postman, what we can do is add the URL of the folders endpoint. So https api.box.com/2.0/folders. We're going to get the root folder structure, so we're going to put 0 here, and then ask for its items. And what we also need to do is give it the authentication token. So we're going to click on headers here. We're going to call this authorization, and the value is going to be bearer space authentication token. And so in this tutorial, we're not going to cover how to actually get this token, but in subsequent tutorials, if you don't know how to do that already, we'll show you how to do that. So that's it. We're going to click send, and we'll get a list of folders that replicate the same folder objects that are within the account. So the next thing we're going to do is create a new folder. So if we navigate to create a new folder, let's read through this. So we're going to make a post request to the folders endpoint, and we need to give it two required parameters, the name and the parent, and a subparameter of the parent ID. So if we click back to Postman, what we're going to do is click reset here. We're going to give it the endpoint again. So we can click the same endpoint we have, delete out the 0 and the items. Let's add the authorization header again. And then we need to enter some parameters. So if we click over this over to post here, we click on raw, it will allow us to enter raw JSON text. And so we'll add the parameters that we required from there. So let's call this Postman tutorial, and we will designate the parent folder. And we're going to put it at the root. And that's it. So from there, we're going to be creating this folder, and we click send. We'll have a successful object returned to us for the folder that was created. Now if we navigate back to our account, you'll see a notification that you created a new folder, and if you refresh, you'll see that this folder was created here. Now last, what we're going to do is show you how to add a file to an account. So if we navigate over to files, and we click upload a file, so what we're going to be doing is making a post request to the upload endpoint and adding the file with the parameter file name, and adding a parent ID of where we want to put that file. So if we click back to Postman, what we can do is reset, and we're going to create a post request to upload.box.com/API/2.0/files/content. Click post here, and we need to add the header again. So we authorization, bearer, and the two keys that we want to add are the file name, which is going to be the file. We're going to add a picture of San Francisco here, and then also the parent ID. And we're going to put this at the root, so it's going to be 0, and we can click send. And that's a success. We'll get the object returned to us, which means it was uploaded, Now if we click back to our account, you'll see a message that said you uploaded that file. If we click refresh here, we'll notice that the file shows up here at our root level. So that's going to conclude our simple Postman tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at api@box.com. But thanks for tuning in, and good luck developing on our platform.